Making money on DMarket involves trading virtual items, primarily related to video games, such as skins, in-game assets, and collectibles. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Create an account. Start by signing up on DMarket, a marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade virtual items from games like Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Dota 2, Team Fortress 2, and others. Buy virtual items. You can purchase skins, weapons, or other in-game items at a lower price from DMarket or its marketplace. Look for undervalued items with potential for price increases, especially rare or limited edition skins. Trade and sell. Once you own a virtual item, you can sell it for a profit. Monitor market trends to identify items with rising demand. List your items for sale at a higher price than your purchase cost to make a profit. Market analysis. Use DMarket's in-depth market analytics tools to track prices and trends. Being proactive and studying supply and demand patterns can help you make better investment choices and increase profits. Withdraw earnings. When you've earned money through trading or selling items, you can withdraw your funds to PayPal, cryptocurrency, or other payment methods offered by DMarket.